media. Yes, man.
Hi, my name is Kevin and I wear busted underpants. Bruh, I know for a fact that I cannot be the only one that wears busted underpants. And I said wears because I still do wear them and shit. I'm wearing one right now. You have a few kinds of busted underpants. Of course, you have the torn crotch. You have the ripped waist, where you know the elastic is separated from the underpants, so you have a little eye between the elastic and your underpants. You know that one. You have the underpants where the elastic is not elastic anymore. The elastic lost all its elasticity, so it basically just crumple up around your waist. The edge of it a peep over your pants and it look like muffin paper. Sometimes you have to fold it down if you kind of stay on you, and sometimes you have to just get at the end of the underpants, fold it down on the side, then pin it if you stay on you. You have the busted underpants with a button at the front, don't button no more, so every time you button it, it loosens itself. The penis keeps falling out. Then you have one with a combination of all those things. And you know what makes it hard for you to throw away these busted underpants? It's because of the struggle that you both have been through. The good times, the bad times, the bond that you guys have formed. You share memories together. And despite all you've been through, your mother, your girlfriend, wife, they're always trying to throw away your goddamn tear-up underpants, which is quite hypocritical of them because they have tear-up drawers also. Just leave me with my tear-up underpants, alright? Don't you have your tear-up drawers? Just leave me with my tear-up underpants. They don't understand that you share memories with those tear-up underpants. You remember the first time you get some nanny, and it was not because of how pretty the girl was or how good the sex was. You remember it because that night you did a wear one tear-up underpants. And on top of the bond that you share, there's just something about some tear-up underpants that makes them super comfortable. Your balls go snuggle up over the left in a female quarters, your penis over on the right in a female quarters. Everybody know them place. Perfect harmony. And the holes where appearing in your underpants, they are perfectly placed so that your balls can stay cool. And it's not that you don't have new underpants, but the tear-up underpants, them, they get first preference. The tear-up underpants, them, you don't hang them on the outside. You hang them on the inside of the house. Because your neighbors, them not gonna understand. Them not gonna just see it and judge you and say, Lord, tear-up drawers him a weird and can't do better. So you hang them up on the inside, you know? To all my brothers out there, still rocking tear-up underpants, you know, the tear-up underpants struggle. Keep on rocking those goddamn tear-up underpants. The movement is still alive. Tear-up underpants. Forever. Tear-up underpants! Tear-up underpants! Tear-up underpants! Tear-up underpants! Yo, this is Kevin Too Crazy. Hit the like button, hit the share button. Think it, believe it. And keep on rocking them goddamn tear-up underpants, man. The movement is alive. And subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification. Under the video, right next to subscribe, you have this little gear. You click on it, turn on the notifications, and you know every time I upload.